The government plan includes an extensive set of new measures, including the ramping up of intelligent infrastructure, constructing data centers, conducting financial technology trials, and further promoting the online economy. The plan encourages each city district to take its own local initiatives, especially in supporting Shanghai's 5 new cities being created in outlying districts as pilot demonstrations for digital transformation.
The 5 new cities are positioned as independent comprehensive node cities. They can take the lead in 4 aspects: the construction of digital bases, the use of open data, innovation in digital technology, and the empowerment of industrial transformation.
Shanghai is also looking to build a high-performance collaborative computing ecosystem encompassing data centers of different sizes, each connected to the others but specializing in particular districts or services.
The city now has 7,896 resource indexes, and the individual districts have a total of 9,424. They will be working with one another to establish an authorized sharing mechanism based on different application scenarios and promote the continuous improvement of data sharing efficiency.
16 specific targets have been set under the plan, including the digital transformation of 80% of the city's major manufacturing industries, construction of 100 million IoT sensing terminals, and increased public access to the data being collected. Lei Shuran, Money Talks.